Hello, welcome to Ysan Factory. Our factory is located in Panyu, Guangzhou. Area is around 3,000 square meters. We mainly manufacture arcade game machines. Let's come with me and check it out. Plate lifter, laser cutting machine controlled by the computer system, embossing machine, tools mounting, punching the tools inside to install the screw. Wheat pressing, bending, we have 4 bending machines to bend plates in different specifications. Welding and assembling, polish the surface, especially the bends. Check our works, how beautiful! Cabinets after painting. Accessory installation and testing. Full soft package. Finished products ready to ship. Wooden package ready for sea transportation.